Alright, before we hit the ground running, let's talk about making sure you have the right equipment, which is a good pair of shoes. This can seem simple, but it will make all the difference and can even prevent injuries. Hey guys, I'm Hannah Mayer. I am a certified running coach and motion specialist at EW Motion Therapy in Birmingham, Alabama. Whether you've been running for years or you're just getting started, taking on a 5K can be really exciting. Today, I'm going to talk about the mental and physical preparation leading up to a 5K. If you are a regular runner and looking to improve your pace, you still want to have a solid base before you begin adding in speed workouts. Start off slow and easy. Let your body adjust to the amount of heavy impact that you're putting on your joints. As you build and increase mileage, keep your runs at a pace that feels good for you. This is the most important thing. Never compare yourself or your progress to others. As your body adjusts, slowly begin to increase the pace. Ideally, you only want one hard speed workout day a week. The rest of your runs will be at an easier pace where you can maintain a conversation, you can breathe a little bit easier. In the running community, this is often what we call zone 2. If you're interested in a detailed 8-week training program that tells you exactly how much to run and when, download our free guide linked down below. Sometimes just seeing it planned out for you can make the idea less daunting and way more fun. Of course, if something starts hurting more than it should, take a break. I try to focus on what good pain is versus bad pain. A bad pain will usually be sharper or nagging. It is important to take rest days to let your body recover in between runs. And don't forget, stay hydrated, focus on good nutrition, and get plenty of sleep. Another big piece of the puzzle is cross-training. This means finding ways to exercise without putting heavy impact through your feet and your joints. You can try cycling, swimming, or yoga. Not only does this prevent overuse injuries, but it also keeps things interesting. Sometimes even the most dedicated runners need a break from running. But training for a 5K isn't just about your body. Your mind has to be in it too. Start by setting goals that are realistic. For most, completing a 5K is a really huge accomplishment. It is an amazing feeling to say you've done it and you've been able to cross the finish line. For others, they may be trying to hit a new PR or even place in their age group. Either way, you want your training to align with your goals. Set your mind to work towards achieving something specific. Visualize yourself at the starting line, running strong during the race, and cruising across that finish line. Use some positive self-talk to remind yourself that you've got this. Sometimes I will even hear in my ear, like a familiar voice coaching me in my head. Know that it may be painful, but you have trained and prepared for this moment. You can endure. Picture yourself achieving your goal and celebrating at the finish line. If you find yourself struggling to find motivation to go out for runs, try finding a friend or a group to run with. This will help provide accountability and make the runs way more fun. You may also find that it helps push you to run farther and faster than you may have run on your own. Running with a friend can make a huge difference in the mental game. And finally, don't forget your why. Why are you running this race? Is it for your health? Is there a cause or a foundation that you want to support? Maybe you just want to prove to yourself that you can do hard things. Whatever it is, keep it close. That motivation is what will carry you through tough training days and help you show up strong on race day. Remember that linked down below is a free downloadable 8-week 5K training plan. If you're training for your first race or a beginner to running, you may also want to watch the video linked below called Tips on How to Start Running. This video explains more about the process of getting into the practice of running, adjusting your diet to fit your goals, and finding the right running shoes.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to help you on your physical therapy and wellness journey.